Unlock exponential growth for your Amazon FBA business by tapping into the vibrant Banbla market. First, understand Banblan culture, research their values, traditions, and shopping habits. What resonates with them? What are their pain points? Tailoring your approach is key. Next, translate and localize your product listings. Don't just convert words. Adapt the language for context and clarity. Consider idioms and local slang. Use professional translation services to ensure accuracy and cultural relevance. Now, optimize your keywords. Conduct thorough keyword research in Banblan. What terms are Banblan customers actually using to search for products like yours? Incorporate these keywords into your listings. Reevaluate your pricing strategy. Research the average income and price sensitivity of Banblan consumers. Adjust your prices accordingly while maintaining profitability. Consider offering promotions specific to the Banblan market. Finally, adapt your logistics. Research Banblan's shipping infrastructure and delivery expectations. Partner with local carriers or fulfillment centers to ensure timely and reliable delivery. Familiarize yourself with Banblan import regulations and customs procedures. Ensure your product complies with all Banblan regulations. Research local laws regarding product safety, labeling, and warranties. Secure any necessary certifications before launching your products. By localizing your FBA business, optimizing listings, and understanding local regulations, you're paving the way for significant sales growth in Banbla. Seize this opportunity to dominate the Banbla market and elevate your Amazon FBA business to new heights.